Europe's in its fourth major heat wave this summer, and this time it's going to be a big one. Here's why. So there is actually a name for this phenomenon, and it's called an omega block, as you can see up at the top there. And what it is basically this low pressure system sitting over the Atlantic over there, and then this high pressure system forming over Western and Central Europe with another low pressure system hanging over Russia over there. And what it's causing is basically sinking air, clear skies, and hot air building. And it's being protected by this jet stream that's going all the way around, forming the omega letter in the Greek alphabet. And the results of this omega block have been pretty extreme. So here you can see where fires have taken place all across Europe. I really recommend you go and take a look at this site over here, because this is an interactive map here, and you can just go and check where all the fires are and when they started and so on. And you can see there's a very high number of them all the way across the central and western part of Europe over here. Just to give you an idea of how significant the fires are this year, this blue line over here shows you the average over the 10 years from 2006 to 2025 of burnt areas in Europe. And you can see that it is quite a bit higher than the average for both last year, but also this year, especially in these last few months, July and August. And the forecast doesn't really look any better. Everything in this darker red color is where there is a significantly or very extreme high probability of fire happening. And it's pretty much really all over the place. So the European Commission has even released these satellite images of smoke trails over Spain, which are going around the internet, where you can see where the cause of these fires, that leaving this fire blanket over, massive swathes of the country. Look at it all building. You see the darker smoke there. That's smoke. The white is more clouds from the weather. But this darker color here, that's all fire smoke across Spain. So if you find yourself wondering if it's just me or if it's actually hot, it's not just you.